Ruh-roh. G'day, everybody. It is March the 10th, and we've got a storm on the horizon again. It's already pretty breezy. It's supposed to get up to 20 centimeters of snow over the weekend, so 6 to 8 inches, and 80 plus kilometer an hour gusts. We're kind of right in the heart of the storm. I'll snap up a few screenshots here of the forecast and what's going on. But I thought I'd point out what we've got to take care of today before the storm rolls in. So you might notice snowblowers parked over there. Well, that old girl is having some engine issues right now. Potentially fatal engine issues. I haven't had a chance to dig into it. I just pulled it out of the way and parked it. Oh, it's a lot nicer in the truck. That's for damn sure. The storm's, just rolling in. We're starting to get some bigger flakes. We're going to have a nasty east wind. I kind of expect to see a nice sized drift forming because of where I've pushed up this snow. I don't foresee it around the bins too much. There might be a little bit there. It might be interesting. I'll show you why. As far as getting in here, what's going to get really, really interesting is up here. These trees can cause the snow to drop in here pretty good. You can see we've had a couple really nice drifts form when we get north winds. But I've pushed that snow up there. Kind of had to. You can see it wants to drift out of the ditch right here and come across here. So we might bank on using my brother's payloader. Ruh-roh. Well, I guess we're going to throw a battery booster on and a block heater for a few hours. And hopefully she starts. And that's why I'm doing this today. Okay. Got a nice set of new rubber on this thing. Okay, which way for those pins? That way. Drop you down there. Now, which way for this? There we go. Well, that was pretty simple. A lot of the times these guys get hydro-locked or something like that, but yeah, everything worked really well this time. So we're ready to go here. She's got a full tank of fuel, parked inside a heated shop. Life's peachy for this guy. She's already starting to get kind of drifty and ugly. Oh, that's a problem. All right, here we go. It's about waist deep there. Yeah. So that's my back door, my main door, the only door I use. See if I can find some gloves and I'll start shoveling there. And my brother came by, cleaned up there. Yeah. Well, just got done digging my driveway out. My brother did dig it out yesterday, but it blew back in. All the ditches are right full now. Just on my way out to the farm to see how much is out there. Some kind of critter got thumped. God, that got cleaned up fast. So yeah, there's a 4-foot drift there. That's all drifted over, which isn't really much worse than normal. It is a fair bit worse than normal. Not ridiculous. Oh boy. Yeah, there's a random 4-foot drift right in the middle. Ooh, look at the pheasant go. Yeah, it is pretty much as bad as I thought. Yeah, probably. I don't think I'd make it in the truck. It's hard to say. It is kind of fluffy. It hasn't really crusted over. But I really don't feel like hoofing it that far and digging anymore. So I'm going to go get the payloader and we're going to do a proper cleanup here. Well, this definitely isn't the smoothest of rides. There is zero suspension in this thing aside from tire pressure and a little bit of give to the seat, but I can't go any more because then my head's bouncing off the roof. The joys being over 6 feet tall. Just a hair too high. There, that's what I needed. Maybe. Pretty sizable drift. Looks like some deer were mucking about there. Good drift there. Not much here. Ripped a few shingles off by the look of it. Yeah, this wasn't going to be a whole lot of fun, to be honest, with the skid steer. I'm quite happy I got this guy. I think I'm going to go try and set the camera up in the shop, though. got to be about an hour into it. We got most of this done, parts of this done, none of that done. I'm gonna say we're about a third done. There's a lot of snow out here. Yeehaw. Well, we got her done. It was a battle. Big pile there, big pile over there, another pile way over there, little pile over there, another pile over in front of the house. Oh, that was a good almost 3 hours. Oh, and my body's just aching. But yeah, I couldn't have done it with, it would have been a month of Sundays with the skid steer. Not really sure how much my GoPro recorded. I went to check on it when I was mostly done in here, and it was dead. But I need to dig out this auger right there, this one right there, as well as a big one over there. And you gonna play nice? Probably not. It seems like as good a spot as any. All right, we got lots of room to operate there. Yeah, I'm much happier now. So, time to head back to town.